2018 Lexus LS 500 hours. A decade between redesigns is too long, especially for a flagship vehicle that is supposed to set the design, technology, and sophistication tone for a luxury brand. Nevertheless, that's how long Lexus let the LS sedan sit on the shelves, giving the car just one update over the years, one that awkwardly installed design exquisite was never meant to wear. That changes for 2018. The new Lexus LS was styled from the start to showcase a spindle-shaped grille, and it looks terrific on this large luxury transport. Generally speaking, the LS is a visually appealing automobile, far more so than the car it replaces. Unfortunately for Lexus, in my opinion, it shares too many of its styling cues with half-price Toyotas, and so what should be a unique and devastatingly handsome automobile with exquisite detailing comes across as somehow familiar. This isn't true of the Lexus LC, the company's new high-end coupe that is built on a shorter version of the same platform. When it comes to the LS, however, its gaping grille, scalloped greenhouse, tapered rear side windows, and rear taillight rips resemble themes also found on a Camry or Corolla to some degree. Additionally, from the tops of the front fenders back, I think it looks a lot like an Infiniti Q70. Though the LS doesn't go on sale until early in 2018, and pricing is not set as I write this, I had a chance to put a few miles on one at a media ride and drive event. The car I drove was not the F-Sport variant. Rather, it was the version designed for executive transport. Starting with an LS 500 with rear-wheel drive, my sample vehicle had the executive package with the pimped-out power reclining rear seats with massagers, butterfly headrests and an ottoman. Additionally, it had a heated steering wheel with wood and leather trim, a 24-inch color head-up display, panoramic view monitoring, an adaptive variable suspension, and a 23-speaker, 2,400-watt Mark Levinson reference surround sound system. Dipped in manganese luster paint and featuring black semi-aniline premium leather with art wood trim, my LS 500 featured upgraded 20-inch forged aluminum wheels wrapped in summer performance tires. Slip inside the new Lexus LS, and you won't get a sense that you've seen this cabin somewhere before. Dramatically different from anything else, the highly stylized dashboard bleeds into the door panels, its wave-like forms repeated in the door panel stitching. Floating armrests, ambient backlighting, and rich materials impressed at first glance.
Thank you.